And it's a privilege to be here. I'll start my life history, my story. Son of a freedom fighter and a social reformer. Born on a farm, raised on a farm. Suddenly got admission in the University of California. And studied food science and technology. I got my degree, I worked there, and I returned to fulfill the promise of my father in 1976. When I went back, I thought I was going to be a hero. I will teach everything to all my farmers, and I'll come up with new techniques, new ideology. But 76, you were not there. GFN was not there. So I went and I tried several things. I made several experiments. Many of them, they were successful, but nobody cared for it. Everybody thought that I was kicked out of America, and that's why he became farmer. Because I became farmer to fulfill the dream of my father, suddenly there was no dignity. And this de-dignifying situation, it hurts. We all believe that human being to survive and perform, we need three things: food, shelter, and clothing. But according to me, it's not three, it's fourth. And fourth is dignity, and that should come first. And farmers in India don't get it. So to be able to get dignity, this new activity was born on our farm. And that new activity, later on I came to know, has a tremendous potential. And I'll quickly show you that activity, that is, how that activity was born. I must tell you. De-dignifying, living 10 years like that, I had given up all hopes and I have decided not to live on the planet. At that point there was a snake. I killed that snake. Then I felt bad and decided that I will never kill a snake again. Another 10 days there was a big cobra right in front of my next field. Somehow I caught the cobra and took it to Hafkin Institute where venom extraction was done. Then I became a snake man. And as I became snake man, suddenly everybody started saying, oh, that guy, he's the guy. So people who didn't offer me, people who didn't offer me water, they started offering me tea. And people started coming to our farm. And this is agrotourism. This is the beginning of agrotourism. Yeah, we can go. And this is the unique ride that we give on our farm. We call it WB ride. Each one of you who comes to the farm, you come prepared for this. But many dignitaries started coming in. Yeah. And this is how I explain my guests how solar energy through green color is converted into gold. Many students come, farmers come. Yeah. Then we have integration of 5 things. One of them is aquaculture. And so yeah, go ahead, no problem. So what it is that guests don't have to take anything from me. Just for that. They pay me for that, and I get dignity on the contrary. So all kinds of people come. I get to become professor, and professors become students. This is a unique home that we have got in the water pond house, which is integration of aquaculture with tourism. And so this is the situation usually we have on any weekend day or any holiday. Yeah, so this is a very successful story. I don't have to look back.
Thank you so much.
Is every farmer of the world, at least India, to start agrotourism setup.
Thank you so much, Shekhar.